After planning, design, sprint setup, and development, it's time for the next crucial phase, testing. Saarthi's QA lead mode brings intelligence and automation to your entire testing workflow, directly inside versus code. Start by switching to QA mode and telling Saarthi what type of testing you need, unit, functional, or integration. From there, it takes care of everything. Saarthi automatically sets up the test environment, generates test files, creates stubs from your PRD and TRD, and even follows best practice structures for naming, coverage, and organization. Once the tests are generated, Saarthi runs them automatically and produces a comprehensive test report with line, statement, and branch coverage metrics. But here's the powerful part. Saarthi doesn't stop at the first failure. It analyzes the failed tests, refines the implementation, and reruns them until they pass, ensuring every component works as intended. You'll get detailed coverage summaries for lines, statements, functions, and branches, along with clear test results. With Saarthi QA mode, testing is no longer an afterthought. It's automated, consistent, and built right into your development flow. For example, here's a report generated for feature request APIs. All tests passed successfully. Overall coverage above 83%. Suggestions for improving branch coverage and error handler tests. Everything you need, written, executed, and analyzed in minutes.